Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix BlueStacks crashing PC. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you can try reinstalling BlueStacks by accessing the Add or Remove Programs option in the Windows search and then finding BlueStacks inside it. After you find it, click on the dots icon and then select Uninstall. Then visit the BlueStacks website to download and reinstall the application. Another solution is to update your graphics driver. Simply open Device Manager by searching for it in the Windows search bar and then locate the display adapters. Once you find it, expand it and then right-click on your graphics driver. Now choose Update Driver and opt for the automatic driver search to find and install the suitable update. Additionally, disabling your antivirus software can help. If you're using third-party antivirus, consult their support for guidance on how to disable it. In order to disable Windows Defender, search for Security in Windows Search. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings, and turn off Real-Time Protection. So that's basically how you can fix BlueStacks crashing PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.